Julius Malema says he is going to help Cwecwe's mother to find justice. He is going to help Cwecwe's mother to find justice. We don't even know because, guys, those two teachers, they are tested. Maybe they are tested or not. We don't even know. You understand? Because some people, they are saying the results are fake. We don't know because the results, they come negative. You understand? They've been come negative. We don't even know because they've been tested. Guys, in this world, money talks. We understand money talks. But maybe that child, maybe, guys, in that school, maybe they've got other children, are boys. Maybe they are adults. Maybe we don't even know is the teacher or other kids doing that to. You understand? We don't know because when that school, they've got children who are grown up like boys. You understand? Like boys like grade 8, grade 9. Those kids are very stubborn because that school is a private school. We don't know. You understand? And when at that school they have got boys, they are very stubborn because we can say it's a teacher. We don't know, maybe it's a teacher or it's a other student. You understand? Because other kids, they do that thing to other kids. We don't even know. Because, guys, especially boys, especially boys, when they are at grade 10, grade 9, grade 10. You understand? Because some of the boys at schools like secondary school, they are smoking weed. We understand? They are smoking weed. They have to ask that child very well. They have got to ask Cwecwe very well that who is do this to her. You understand? She can tell her parents. They have to asking her very well because maybe it's not a teacher, it's a student. You understand? Like boys, guys, boys in secondary, they are very stubborn. They are very stubborn. You understand? They can do those things to that child. They have to asking her very well. They have to asking Cwecwe very well. You understand? Who do those things to her? Because some boys, maybe they can do those things to her and say to that child, don't tell anyone because I will do something to you. You understand? So they have to asking her very well because sometimes maybe it's not a teacher, it's other kids like boys. Guys, boys, they are very stubborn, especially at secondary school. They are smoking weed. We don't even know. You understand? They have to asking her who do those things to her.